How are you? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So children, this is the revision chapter of class 4. This is the first chapter, revision. And what is the subject? That is the social study. And the first chapter, what was the first chapter? That is I love my India. What is I love my India? So children, in which country you live? आप किस में रहते हैं? Good. You live in India. And India. And ये कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट में आता है? Yes, good. It is in Asia. ये किस में आता है? एशिया में. See children, this is the page number 9 of your social study book class 4. So in page number 9, what you see, these are the continents. There are how many continents? There are 7 continents in the world, and Asia is the largest continent. सबसे बड़ा continent कौन सा है? एशिया. Asia is the largest continent. So, what is continent, children? What is continent? Continent means, see, continent means a large masses of land. Continent means a large masses of land or a large land area that is called the continents. Here this is the world map, and see, here this is the continent, that is the Asia. ओके, ये जो येलो कलर का जो पार्ट दिख रहा है, ये क्या है? एशिया है. और हमारी जो कंट्री है, किस कॉन्टिनेंट का पार्ट है? दैट इज द एशिया. हमारी जो कंट्री है, किस कॉन्टिनेंट का पार्ट है? एशिया. एशिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. एशिया सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट है. ओके, और हमारी कंट्री किसका पार्ट है? एशिया का. नाउ सो इंडिया. India, the second largest population in terms of population. In terms of population, our country rank is second. अगर हम किसकी बात करेंगे? पॉपुलेशन की. पॉपुलेशन मीन्स in particular area, in particular country, in particular city, the total amount of people that living here. So the population, कितनी है population हमारे इंडिया की? बहुत ज़्यादा, अरब्स. So India got second position in the world. इंडिया की क्या पोजीशन है in terms of population? Second. And who got the first position? That is the China. China got the first position in terms of population. Population के terms में चाइना का नंबर फर्स्ट है और इंडिया का नंबर, इंडिया got the second rank and China got the first rank. And in terms of area, who got first? सबसे बड़ा एरिया. सबसे एरिया मीन्स पार्ट. सबसे बड़ा एरिया किस कंट्री का है? एंड हमारी जो इंडिया है, उनका नंबर किस पर आता है? हमारा जो इंडिया, सी, दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ अवर इंडिया. ये इतना एरिया है, तो हमारा एरिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया, हमारा जो कंट्री का नंबर किस पर आता है? इट गॉट द 7th position. Which position? 7th position. हमारी कंट्री का नंबर कौन सा आता है? 7th position. And the first is the Russia. Russia got the first position. So in terms of population, इंडिया हु गोट फर्स्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या, सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन किधर की है? यस, दिस चाइना, एंड आवर कंट्री गॉट द सेकेंड पोजीशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया सबसे ज्यादा एरिया कहाँ का है? दैट इज द रशिया गॉट द फर्स्ट पोजीशन एंड इंडिया गॉट द सेवेंथ position. So our country got the seventh position in terms of area. Area wise हमारी कंट्री का नंबर किस नंबर पर आता है? सेवेंथ नंबर पर, और पॉपुलेशन में that is the second position. Clear? Now this is the map. This is the India's map. Here this is look like this is just. Now see children, this is the top part that is called the north, the bottom part that is called the south, at the right hand side that is the east, and the left hand side that is the west. These are the directions: north, south, east and west. So Himalaya, the northern boundary of India, this is the northern boundary of India, that is covered by, that is protected by very high mountain, that is the Himalaya, that is the Himalaya. See these children, जो northern boundaries है, see this is, it stretches from Jammu Kashmir to, जो हिमालय माउंटेन्स है कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? It stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Where? Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. A series of mountain ranges are there in this part. This is the Himalaya, and it stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and this is the northern boundary. This is the, what is it? This is the northern boundary of India that is protected by, किससे प्रोटेक्टेड की जाती है? वेरी हाई माउंटेन्स, वेरी हाई माउंटेन्स लाइक द हिमालय, जैसे कि हिमालय. एंड द साउथ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया, और जो इंडिया का जो साउथ पार्ट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पेनिनसुला. द साउथ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया that is called the peninsula. Peninsula means, what is peninsula? It is surrounded by water bodies. The land that is surrounded by water bodies on three sides, जिसके three sides में क्या हो? Water bodies हो. So first हमारी इंडिया के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में अरेबियन सी, the left hand side of this Arabian Sea, and the right hand side Bay of Bengal, and at the bottom there is Indian Ocean. Bottom side there is the Indian Ocean. So the water bodies, here are the water bodies, here is also water bodies, and at the bottom is also the water bodies. So the land that is surrounded by water on three sides, first side, second side and the third side. So that is called the peninsula. That is called the peninsula. The land that is covered by water on three sides, that is called the peninsula. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Peninsula. Okay? It is now Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and in south part there is a Indian Ocean. Clear? Now children, this is the last point of our mainland. This point is called the Kanyakumari. This point is called the Kanyakumari. It is the southernmost. It is the southernmost tip of India. Southernmost tip of India. Yes. See children. This in India there is the end point. जो mainland. This is the mainland. ये क्या है? mainland है. जो mainland का जो last point है, जहाँ पर हमारी कंट्री क्या है? एंड हो रही है. तो वो जो साउदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट, जो साउदर्न मोस्ट टिप है इंडिया का, डेट इज कॉल्ड द कन्याकुमारी. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? कन्याकुमारी. द साउदर्न मोस्ट टिप ऑफ इंडिया, नॉट इंक्लूडिंग द आइलैंड. इनमें आइलैंड नहीं है. सी दिस इज द आइलैंड. विच आइलैंड? दिस इज द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. अंडमान और निकोबार आइलैंड को हम इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज द मेनलैंड. ये जो टिप है ये किसका है? मेनलैंड का, इंडिया की. मेनलैंड मीन्स द बाउंड्रीज. द साउदर्न मोस्ट टिप that touch the mainland of our country is called the southernmost tip of India, that is called the Kanyakumari. जो southernmost tip है इंडिया का वो क्या है? कन्याकुमारी. It not include the island. इसमें island include नहीं है. अगर हम बोलते हैं कि the southernmost tip बोला है, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? इंदिरा पॉइंट. It include the island. Southernmost tip that is called the Indira Point. Southernmost tip क्या है? इंदिरा पॉइंट. That include the island. इसमें क्या आ गया है? Island include है. ओके. और अगर island को include नहीं किया गया, that touch the mainland, that is called the Kanyakumari. That is called the Kanyakumari. Okay? Clear? Oh, so children, I'll ask some question. Now, India. Yes, what is peninsula? Peninsula क्या है? Good. The land that is surrounded by water on three sides, that is called the peninsula. Okay. Now, what is southernmost tip of India? Southernmost tip of India. What is? Good. The southernmost tip of India that touch the mainland, that is Kanyakumari. And what is the southernmost tip of our country? The southernmost tip of our country that include the island. जिसमें हमने island को include किया है, that is called the Indira Point. उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंदिरा पॉइंट. सो सिर्फ आपको क्या याद रखना है? मेनलैंड का पूछा है. मेनलैंड में आएगा कन्याकुमारी. एंड इट नॉट इंक्लूड द आइलैंड. एंड वी इंक्लूड द आइलैंड. सो दैट इज द साउदर्नमोस्ट टिप ऑफ आवर कंट्री इज द इंदिरा पॉइंट. इज द इंदिरा पॉइंट. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेबरिंग कंट्री. What is neighboring countries? Neighboring countries. So here India shares land boundaries. India shares land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. जो इंडिया है, दिस इज द लैंड बाउंड्रीज. दिस इज द लैंड बाउंड्रीज. ये जो लैंड बाउंड्रीज है किससे शेयर कर रही है? जैसे रेडक्लिफ लाइन है. सी हियर इज द इन दिस साइड देयर इज द रेडक्लिफ लाइन. Redcliffe, that is रेड क्लिफ इज द बाउंड्री, ये बाउंड्री है किसकी? इंडिया. दिस इज द बॉर्डर ऑफ इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. दैट इज द रेड क्लिफ लाइन, रेड क्लिफ. सो इंडिया शेयर्स अ बाउंड्री विथ, इंडिया अपनी बाउंड्री किस किस नेबरिंग कंट्रीज को शेयर करती है? दैट इज द पाकिस्तान एंड नेपाल एंड चाइना, भूटान, म्यांमार, बांग्लादेश, अफगानिस्तान, So how many states? How many countries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 countries. They share the land boundary. India की जो land boundary है. See, this is the land boundary of India, our country. Now page number 10. See this map 1.2. So that is the India's map and it shares the land boundary with Pakistan. The border of India-Pakistan, that is the Red Cliff border, and this is the China. It also shares Nepal and Bhutan, Myanmar. See, Bangladesh. This Bhutan, this Bangladesh, and this is the Myanmar and the Afghanistan. So these are the countries that shares the India shares land boundary. These 7 countries, they are the neighboring country of India. ये जो neighboring countries है किसकी? India की. And the two more, दो और countries है, but this is our neighbors across the sea. Neighbors across the sea. समुद्र के उस पार जो हमारे neighbors है, that श्रीलंका, that not share land boundary, that is the Sri Lanka, and the second one is the Maldives. So there are 9 neighboring countries. How many neighboring countries? There are 9 neighboring countries. But the 7 countries that share the land boundary of India, and the 2 more, that is the across the sea. 2 more neighboring countries that across the sea are Sri Lanka and the Maldives. And the countries that touch the mainland, the countries that shares the India shares the land, किससे shares करती है? India shares the land boundary with Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and the neighbors across the sea, that is the Sri Lanka and Maldives. So total how many neighboring countries? Good. There are 9 neighboring countries, but 7 India shares the land boundary with how many countries? 7 countries. India shares the land boundary with 7 countries. That is this, and the 2 more countries that across the sea, that is the Sri Lanka and Maldives. So you got it? Clear. Now our next topic is the political division. Political divisions. Political divisions. Now, India became independent on which day? That is the 15th of August 1947, and we celebrate this day as Independence Day. हम इस दिन को this is the national festival of that day. India became free from the British rule. जो कि इंडिया पे पहले किसका रूल था? ब्रिटिश. इंडिया इज ruled by the British, and after a long period of time, India कब हुआ था? India became an independent country on which? On 15th August 1947, and we celebrate this day as a Independence Day, means स्वतंत्रता दिवस. ओके, 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा देश क्या हुआ था? आजाद हुआ था. that we call the Independence Day. 15th of August 1947, India became an independent country. Today India has how many states and union territories? There are 29 states in our country. How many? 29. And how many union territories? How many union territories? That is 9. At the present time, how many union territories? 9. And how many states? 29 states in our country. And पहले बहुत साल पहले जब हमारा जो कंट्री है जब आज़ाद नहीं हुई थी, and there was only 14 states, and how many union territory? Only 6. But अभी क्या है? There is the 29 states and 9 union territories. क्यों है? For better government. हमें हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट को हर स्टेट्स को अच्छे से क्या करना है? मॉनिटरिंग करना है. जैसे क्लास में क्या होते हैं? मॉनिटर्स रहते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स को क्या करते हैं? माइंड करते हैं. ऐसे ही हम एक स्टेट में क्या रहते हैं? सीएम, चीफ मिनिस्टर रहते हैं, जो कि उस स्टेट को क्या करते हैं? मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं. सो इन इंडिया हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स? देयर आर 29 स्टेट्स. हाउ मेनी? 29. The newest state of our country is the Telangana. That is the Telangana. जो नया स्टेट है जो बना है वो कौन सा है? That is the Telangana. And previously this state is the part of which state? ये किसका हिस्सा है? तेलंगाना. It is a part of the state that carved out of Andhra Pradesh. ये किससे लिया गया है? आंध्र प्रदेश. Okay? Now, what is the political division? Our India became free on 15th of August 1947, and there are how many states in our country? There are 29 states. The newest state means जो नया स्टेट है वो कौन सा बना है? That is the तेलंगाना. And ये किससे? It is carved out of which state? That is the आंध्र प्रदेश. ये किससे लिया गया है? आंध्र प्रदेश. Okay? Now, how many states? Read it, children. Here in page number 11, here are some 29 states and their capitals, and here are the 9 union territories and their capitals. So, in union territories, in this book, there are only 7 union territory. But now there are how many union territory? It's 9 union territory. So you can add 2 more. आपको अपनी बुक में क्या लिखना है? करनी है, that is the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, that is the 8th union territories. Jammu and Kashmir, you write in your book. आपको अपनी बुक में लिखना है, पेज नंबर 11. You note down in your book that you have to add 2 more union territory. That is, the first one is the Jammu Kashmir and its capital is Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar and Jammu. Its capital is Srinagar and Jammu, and the 9th one is the Ladakh. And its capital is Leh. Summer capital and the winter capital, Srinagar and Jammu, the 2 capital, summer capital and the winter capital is Jammu. Now these you have to add these 2 union territory in your social book, that is page number 11. You have to note down because there are only 7 union territory in this, and you have to write 2 more. Now Jammu Kashmir, that is the 8th union territory, and their capital is the Srinagar and Jammu. इनकी capital क्या है? Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar is the summer capital. इसकी capital है जो change हो जाती है. This is the summer capital, and Jammu is the winter capital. Jammu winter में capital हो जाती है, और Srinagar during the summer time, the capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar, and during the winter season, the capital of Jammu Kashmir, that is Jammu, and the 9th union territory is the Ladakh, and its capital is Leh. So you have to note down in your book. Now children, here are some states and their capital. So first is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh and its capital is Amravati. Andhra Pradesh की capital क्या है? Amravati. Second, Arunachal Pradesh and its capital Itanagar. Assam, its capital Dispur. Bihar, capital Patna. Chhattisgarh and its capital is Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, capital Chandigarh. See, Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states. First is Haryana. Haryana capital is what? Chandigarh. And Punjab capital is also Chandigarh. So the Chandigarh. See. Now the Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, that is the Haryana and Punjab. There is the same capital, that is the Chandigarh. Clear? Now Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu Kashmir is also a state also, and their capital, their summer capital is the Srinagar, and the winter capital is Jammu. Jharkhand, their capital is Ranchi. Karnataka, capital Bengaluru. Kerala, and its capital is Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, and its capital Bhopal. Maharashtra, its capital is Mumbai. Manipur, and its capital Imphal. Meghalaya, and its capital is Shillong. Mizoram, and its capital is Aizawl. Nagaland, and its capital Kohima. Odisha, and its capital Bhubaneswar. Punjab, that is the same capital Punjab and Haryana, that is the Chandigarh. Rajasthan, its capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, its capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, its capital is Chennai. तेलंगाना is the newest state. जो नया स्टेट बना है, क्या है वो? तेलंगाना. That is, and its capital is the Hyderabad. Its capital is Hyderabad. Now Tripura, its capital Agartala. Uttarakhand, its capital Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, and its capital is Lucknow. And West Bengal, its capital is Kolkata. So here these are the 29 states and their capital. You have to learn it. Okay, it is must. You have to learn it these two times. Now these are the union territory and their capital. Here Andaman and Nicobar Island and its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, the same capital, Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, their capital is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, capital Daman. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavarati. National Capital Territory of Delhi, that is Delhi. Puducherry, and its capital is Puducherry. Now the 8th one union territory is Jammu Kashmir. Its summer capital Srinagar and its winter capital Jammu, and the 9th one is the Ladakh and its capital is Leh. So children, you have to learn these states and their capitals, and you have to note down in your rough copy. Okay children, thank you.